keeps its weight and waits for time to slide. Karma moves in measured ways by how it's seen and met. What opens clear will pass with ease. What's bound will linger yet. Through patient sight and steady mind, the rhythm comes to view. The timing written in the soul, unfolding what is due. The flow of cause and subtle trace can feel how thought and chosen paths shape time and inner pace. Some walk the road through focused will, the strength to see things through. Some soften into sacred trust and let love guide them true. Karma moves in measured ways by how it's seen and met. What opens clear will pass with ease. What's bound will linger yet. Through patient sight and steady mind, the rhythm comes to view. The timing written in the soul, unfolding what is due. Quiet power to master thought and sight. Devotion opens tender paths where heart aligns with light. Different roads, a single truth, no journey moves alone. Persistence shapes the inner field where seeds of time are sown. Through will refined or love held fast, the soul moves swiftly on. Each moment shaped by conscious choice, each lesson gently drawn. When focus meets sincerity, the hidden clock stands clear, and life reveals its sacred pace as ending